Just got out of the Wolfman. It's good. I'm a sucker for a werewolf movie. They always work for me. I like the recurring themes that you get with werewolf movies, like, you know, good people who ultimately end up doing evil against their will. There's very interesting stuff going on with werewolf lore. What they've done that's very clever with Wolfman is that they've taken what is essentially one setting, which is, for all intents and purposes, cabin in the woods, and three people, one of whom becomes the, said Wolfman. And considering it's nearly 2-hour runtime, they really kept me hooked in from start to finish, given that the plot was paper thin. I'm going to put a full review up, but I did like this movie. It's one you should go see, especially if you're a horror fan. Let me know what you thought down below and be on the lookout for the review.